Hey guys, John V here from PhoneArena. Right now I have the Asus Transformer Prime. Just going to show you some of the benchmark tests that we've ran here. And of course, the unique thing about this guy is that it is a quad-core tablet featuring the NVIDIA Tegra 3 quad-core processor. So even without even running the benchmark test, you could tell just how zippity fast it's running here across the home screen. Go into the app panel. It just has a really nice fluid rate to its operation. Another thing, such as going to the gallery. Let's see if there's anything in here in the gallery here. So going to the gallery, you can see how quick and instantaneous its operation really is, which is very impressive. And you can definitely tell this is a speed demon. So if we happen to just test it out just a little bit, just using a live wallpaper. Let's see, for example, let's try this one here from Asus. I go and set it. It's a 3D, a little bit more intensive live wallpaper here. You could tell even with the live wallpaper in the background, still provides for that really fluid movement with its operation. Doesn't slow down one bit. And again, that's all thanks to the quad-core processor actually that's under the hood here. So let's bring it back to a static wallpaper. And let's start off with the first test here. Let's show you the quadrant test. Now, it goes to show that you really can't rely on benchmark tests all the time just because, with Quadrant, it doesn't seem optimized to work with the NVIDIA Tegra 3 quad-core processor. And now it's quick testing here out of the box. It seems to put up average scores around 2,500 up to the 2,900 mark. It didn't hit the 3,000 mark. As we know, other devices like the Galaxy S2 has easily achieved that mark, but with the Transformer Prime, it doesn't. But again, it goes to show you that not all benchmark tests have been optimized to run on this specific processor here. Some of these graphical components here, I'll quickly show you these. It's running roughly, this one here is 60 frames per second, it's jumping up and down, but on the average 60 frames per second, which is pretty good and smooth here. It's going to wait for this guy here to finish. The next one is going to be coming up, and this one here looks like it is running consistently 60 frames per second, which is pretty good again. And last test here looks like it's going to be loading up shortly, also at consistent 60 frames per second. So pretty good graphical scores there. So let's take a look and see where this one puts it up. This is 2461, so hardly impressive when compared to the 3,000 and up scores you find on the Galaxy S2. But again, it goes to show you right there, you really can't trust benchmark tests all that much, just because not all time that they're optimized to work with the processor on board with the tablet here. So let's quickly show you the Antutu benchmark test. Now this shows a different result here. Show you what we've got. So as a total score, you can see all the tests it ran. It gave it an overall score of 10,277, which is actually an impressive mark. So if we put that in the score chart here, show you where it ranks amongst other devices that have used the benchmark test. Right here, 10,277 on par to what the other Transformer Prime users out there you have gotten. And of course, it easily beats out things like the Galaxy Nexus, Galaxy Note, almost by nearly double, which is pretty impressive. So this test shows you how strong and powerful that processor is. But even without running the benchmark test, just simply perusing around the platform, you could tell that this guy is not messing around when it comes to just responsive rates and just speed. It is absolutely blazing. So if you'd like to learn more about the Asus Transformer Prime, check out our website, guys, PhoneArena.com. This is John V. Thanks for watching.